Hello, welcome to this Canon service support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to stop the machine from printing out a report every time a fax or a scanned file is sent to another destination. Start by logging in as an administrator or as a user with administrative rights. Click on the Login option at the top right of the Home menu. The default login credentials are provided with the machine's installation. If you do not have them, please speak with the person responsible for managing your Canon machine at your site. After logging in, press Settings Registration, Device Settings, Function Settings, Send, Common Settings. Use the arrow to scroll down the options and select TX Report. Here, you can set the report to come out only when there is an error or turn it off completely. You can always contact Canon support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.